or otherwise, for example, I want here. Okay, let me put here. See, you can rotate. Mirror, for example, mirror. See, listen carefully here. Here one, for example, this I want to mirror it in opposite line. For example, here is one pentagonal is there. Click mirror. What is asking? Select the objective. I'm selecting the objective. Click enter and select this line, any reference line. For example, you want this one. See automatically how it is came. If it will ask click yes or means, if you click no means same image it will come in mirror image. If you click yes means this image it will come into there, it will not come to here. Clear? Now like scale also, if you click this one objective, you can whatever, if you want to increase decrease, if you want to change the size or more big, if you want to make, you can make. That is depends on scale. Now if you are coming trim tool, see trim is you should connect some 2 points, then it will become a trim, otherwise it will not trim. For example, I want to trim this one. See line, see for example here I want to trim, you can trim. No, if you want to trim here you can, if you want to trim here you can, if you want to trim here you can trim. This is a trim tool mostly we are using. And that is erase also. Erase also same thing, you can completely you can erase that whatever you want to erase. For example, this one also completely you can erase. Trim means we can trim only one part. Erase means you can completely erase that tool. Now if you're coming to the Explorer, now see I just let me go here. I am explaining. For example, I making one rectangle. Let me go for rectangle. Just I'm keeping rectangle. Now if using this Explorer command, it will convert into the, it will split the line wise line. For example, if use offset command, how to use this offset command? For example, I am clicking offset command. Click, it is asking distance. For example, 5. Click enter. Select this rectangle. Sorry, just give me one more second. Offset command. So I am giving distance 2. I'm clicking here rectangle. See how it is coming. If you want to inside same rectangle, you can put, I want to so top outside of the rectangle means you can make it like this. If you want inside you can make it, if you want outside just click on the rectangle, automatically click offset command. Now no, if no, I want to draw one line between the center, for example. So if you use the offset command, we can't write because we are drawn a rectangle. If use Explorer command, click rectangle and enter. That means this rectangle it will split as a line wise line. For example, for now if I use offset command, so for example 5 distance I want, click and click this line, then it will come here. If you want to outside you can go on outside. If you are not using explore command, then it will not convert into line wise line, it will completely it will as a rectangle. So you can use for offset command wherever you want to same line, if you want to make as the same line in another distance, you can use offset. Offset command is very shortcuts to you drawing many diagrams at easy way. You should learn this offset command very and you need to practice of that command also. Now just I want to explain one more thing. This now if you coming, for example, take one circle here. I'm taking one circle. Already this rectangle array or path array or polar array. Just I will explain on this one. If you are rectangle array, you can see first I am clicking rectangle, select the objective and enter. See how many are. If you want to increase the rows, say 5, you can increase, automatically increase. See how it is increasing. Now if you want to 3 means you can click 3. Labels, rows, columns. If you want columns 3, then it will come. This is very shortcut to using this command poly array. Even rectangle also, polar array also, like circular type. For example, I will show you one. If you click this one, let me draw one circle here, small circle. I am clicking polar array, select objective and click enter. Click enter. So click polar array, click line, select the objective and enter. See how many it came. Here you can increase if you have more items, then 8 if you want, or 4 if you want, only 4 it will come. You can change here, whatever. That is the polar array. Now this is pending for fillet and chamfer. Just let me explain that fillet. Fillet, when you are clicking fillet, you need to give radius of the between two lines. For example, I am clicking radius 2. I am giving, clicking enter. For see, I am selecting first line and second line. How it is changing? So fillet means you need to give the radius of the whatever we want to do fillet, sharp edges or fillet, then you need to give the radius. If you are using chamfer means you need to give the distance. For example, this side I want to give 2 mm and enter, and this line I want to give the 3 mm. So click first objective and second. See, this distance is converted to 2 and this one is big, so 3. Chamfer. These commands, if you are using, if you are learning this 20 to 35 commands, is very easy for drawing any diagram. Now I will explain how to write your name. You can go text, multi-text here, click here, drag here, write your name. Okay. If it is coming very, everyone is try to listen carefully, because here if you are showing very small, then what you will do, just click on this, select here, increase the size of that, then click outside, automatically it will come clear. Now give dimensions. You know already, everyone knows how to give dimensions, right? See, for example, this I want to give this how much dimensions here. For example, this is line, so I am clicking linear. If I need the diameter of this circle, then I will click diameter of this circle and click circle. Automatically we can draw here. Click it. It is showing dimensions, but very it is not visible. So at that time, what you need to do there, you need to use the D command, dimension style command. Use D command, click enter and modify. Here text, give 1, enter, click OK. Here if you see here, see it is coming big, so it is visible. Here for example, you want to make like color, text color if you want to make, or otherwise this arrow marks color if you want to make, that I want to highlight the dimensions, whatever you can use only D command and click enter and go modify. Here you can use for example, I want to make color. See, observe here how it is visible. Please, if you observe here, see red color. No background, white color if you want, green color if you want as a text, you can make it. In lines also I want to make as a for example, I want to make as a different color. You can make here color green. So different types of colors, different types of lines also there, line thickness also there. Many things are there in this D command. Units also, when you are giving units, for example, you want only 1 decimals or 2 decimals, depends upon your diagram. If I don't want to give 2 decimals, you click 1. Otherwise, if you don't want decimals, just click 0. Everything, in many things are there here in this all this D command only. You can, if you do practice, you can understand easily. Even see symbol, arrow size, various different types of arrows, everything is there in this command. You need to practice mostly in this command, then you will understand easily. Now click OK. See how dimensions are changing. Decimals it's reduced, and red color I gave, and a green color I have given this. How much beautiful you want to make, you can make by using the this using D command. So this mostly in our lab we are using only mostly these commands. If you practice on this all commands, any diagram in that how many exercise for 20 or 30 exercise are there in this in our manual, you can draw easy way. If you practice, for example, now you have done practice one time, go save as and stop, like for example trial 1 again do practice and make as a trial to practice 2 times 3 times. Then if you understand this all commands how to use this all commands, we can try easily. And one more thing I want to say, for example, if you want to make a dotted line, just double click on here by layer, it will come here. If it is store, if it is not store, what you will do, go properties, go others, click load here, select the dotted line, click OK, click it. Now again click double click here, automatically it will come. No, so it will automatically convert into the dotted line. So this is I want to explain this today class, just to try to practice all guys this all commands. If you know this all commands, you can draw easily in any diagram. No, already manual it is easy diagram. I will tell you one by one how to draw that one by shortcuts. Also, I will tell you in some one video. I will explain how to draw diagram very easy way, and shortcuts also I will tell you, and many things I will tell you. Just enjoy and thank you so much.